We're going to review the top 5 best hammock straps, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Malomi XL Hammock Straps. The Malomi XL hammock straps are excellent 12 feet long x 1 inch wide tree-friendly straps that can withstand up to 1,000 pounds on each strap. The 1-inch width helps to protect the trees and their barks from abrasion. The straps have no stretch heavy-duty triple-stitched seam. The package comes with 2 straps with 2 locking carabiners and a bag. The total withstand capability is a whopping 2,000 pounds, and the 40 attachment loops let you easily hang a single or double hammock with these straps. The loops also reduce sagging and help you get a strong and even distribution of tension all over the hammock. Number 2. No. Eagle's Nest Outfitters Atlas Straps. The No. Atlas straps are super lightweight yet sturdy straps that let you safely suspend the anchor points 25 feet apart. Even though it is extremely lightweight, it comes with 30 adjustment features. The straps are long enough to be tied in the trees, poles, big rocks, or even roof racks. On top of that, it also comes with a storage bag which comes handy when you're on the go. The straps have 3 highlights in the middle that reduces stretching, so you don't need to worry about your hammock getting slack due to the loose ends of the strap. Number 3. FavoFit XL Hammock Strap Set. The FavoFit hammock strap is an extremely durable and strong non-stretching hammock strap that comes along with 2 carabiners. The straps can sustain up to a massive 1,400 pounds. So, matter how much stress you put on the straps, it would be near impossible to make a dent on the strap. Despite being so strong, they are surprisingly light and weighs about only a pound. These straps are not only strong but they also have sturdy designs too. The non-stretchy construction of the straps helps to keep your hammock straight throughout the time. The FavoFit straps are one of the most reliable and sturdy straps available in the market. Number 4. RAL Hammock Tree Straps. If you're tired of saggy hammocks, then RAL hammock straps are here to the rescue. The RAL straps have 2 straps, each has a length of 10 feet, which gives a combined length of 20 feet that will help your hammock stay in place in all weather conditions. You can also chain several straps together to cover a greater distance. There are 36 carabiner loops in total that let you adjust the distance and height of your hammock according to your liking. Number 5. Wise Owl Outfitters Hammock Straps. The Wise Owl Outfitter straps promises to provide you with ease of use so that you can focus solely on your expedition instead of worrying about setting up the hammock. These straps are tree-friendly as they have a width of 1 full inch. The straps sit flat on the trees, hence, they will not be harmed or damaged in any way during the hammock setup process. The Wise Owl Outfitter straps are versatile and they fit well with any sort of hammocks. They are very easy to work with and you can set them up in a jiffy. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you like the best hammock straps we select for this year. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to the best hammock straps, which are listed here, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.